Okay, my white yellow belts face me at attention and bow. Okay, I want to start at the wall today. We're going to be doing some balanced front kicks. Okay, so simply put your hand against the wall and your body turns kind of sideways here. So we're going to do balanced front kicks. I want you to bring your knee up and you're going to do 10 kicks without dropping that leg. Notice how I keep that knee up. We want to try to avoid swinging the leg. Try to keep that knee still. Okay, once you do 10 kicks on one leg, you're going to switch and turn the other way. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that knee high. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Okay, so you're going to do 3 sets. A set means we do right and left. 3 sets on each leg. Get going with that. Then I got another drill for you guys after that. Okay, so doing balance kicks on the wall is great, but you're not always going to have a wall near you to help you balance. So you actually have to balance on your own. That's what we're going to do now. So we're going to do the exact same thing we did on the wall, but with no wall. Okay, so you're simply going to bring your leg up, and your goal is 10 kicks. Okay, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice how I kept my knee up the whole time. Again, I want to avoid swinging that knee. So if you have to kick a little lower, that's fine, as long as you're keeping your knee still. Okay guys, you're gonna do another 3 sets on each leg. Okay, get going with those balance kicks. So the kick I really want to focus on today is your pop-up front kick. Okay, and on the pop front kick, one of the common problems is it's tough to jump up, chamber, kick, rechamber, all in the air. So a lot of people will do like a pop-up stretch kick and keep their legs straight. So I got a great drill for you guys to help you to improve at that. Okay, and it's called a stall kick. Now a stall is kind of like you're stopping or you're pausing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get into that fighting stance. We're gonna pop up and chamber our leg and stall or pause for a second. Let me show you. You're gonna bend down, pop up, bring the back leg up, then kick. Okay, notice how I kind of hesitate, I pause a little bit before I kick. Now I'm gonna kick with the other leg. So on a pop front kick, we switch sides. Again, I'm gonna pop up, pause, then kick. Okay, again, pop up, pause, kick. Okay, pop up, pause, kick. And that's how we do our pop front kick with a stall. Let me do a couple facing forward so you guys get the idea on this. Okay, again, I'm gonna pop up, pause, kick. Okay, I'm always trying to land in front. And when I land in front, that switches my stance. So I was right leg back, now I'm left leg back. Okay, let me do another one. Pop up, pause, kick. Again, pop up, pause, kick. One more, pop up, pause, and kick. Okay, a little tough all that balance, but I know you guys can do it. Okay, you're gonna practice the stall pop front kick for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, begin. Okay, so now that you guys can do that stall pop front kick, let's do the actual pop front kick, normal speed, full speed, okay? So we're gonna get into that fighting stance, we're gonna bend down, pop up, and remember, when we pop up, we wanna really focus on snapping that kick out, okay? Again, we're gonna pop, snap that kick out. And notice how I've switched my stance. Now I have the other leg behind me. Again, pop up and snap that kick out. Really focus on that chamber kick, rechamber down as fast as you can. Again, pop up, kick, and then other leg, pop up, kick. Okay, so at home, you have to do 30 total pop-up front kicks, okay? And you should be alternating sides, right, left, until you get to 30. Okay, guys, get going. Okay, so now that you guys can do really good pop front kicks, let's put those into a combination. Okay, so we're gonna be working on your kicking combinations here, and I got a couple challenges for you guys. Okay, number 1, we're gonna work on doing these combinations fast today. Okay, number 2, I want you guys to work on doing them on both sides. So that means right leg back and left leg back. Okay, so make sure you guys give me your full focus here that we can follow along and do these. Okay, let's get into our fighting stance. Let's everyone start with a front kick combination first. My yellow belt should already know this, but this might be new for some of my white belts. So we'll start off slow and then get faster, okay? So we're gonna go front kick and land in front. Now with the same leg, slide front kick, okay, again, landing in front. Now I'm gonna bring that back leg up, jump front kick, and then finish with a pop-up front kick. So I'm gonna kick that back leg, I'm gonna bend down with a pop-up kick, and then jab, punch. Okay, I'm gonna turn around and face this direction now. Now, this time my left leg is behind me. So I want you guys to have your left leg behind you, okay? So we're gonna start with that back leg. Remember, we're gonna kick and land in front. Then slide the feet together, kick with that same left leg. Okay, then I'm gonna bring the back knee up, jump kick, and then pop up kick. And then finish, jab, punch, okay? Let's do that again. Okay, so we're in that fighting stance. Okay, so this time I'm gonna try to go a little quicker. Okay, and I'm gonna see if you guys can keep up with me. So we're gonna go front, slide, jump, pop, jab, punch, okay? And then turn. Okay, so again, my left leg is behind me. Okay, so make sure you guys have that left leg behind you. Let's get ready. Left leg combination, we're going a little quicker. Ready, front, slide, jump, pop, jab, punch. Good, okay. So I want you guys to practice that front kick combination on your own now. We're gonna practice right leg back and left leg back. I want you to do it 5 times on each leg, okay? And each time you do it, your goal is to go a little faster and a little faster until you're like super speed. Okay guys, we're doing that combination 10 times total. Get going. Okay, now it's time to move on to that roundhouse combination. White belt, you can follow along. We do this one if you guys want, but this one is for the yellow belt, okay? So just like before, we start with that fighting stance. Okay, so we're gonna throw that rear leg roundhouse kick, stepping forwards, landing in front. Now this is the important part on the sliding round. You wanna slide the feet together. Do not let your feet cross. Okay, we wanna slide together. Roundhouse. I'm gonna bring that back knee up, jump round, and then pop round, jab, punch. Okay, I'm gonna turn. So now my left leg is behind me. Remember, we're practicing both sides today, guys, okay? With that left leg, rear leg round, land in front. Remember, we're sliding the feet together on that slide round, jump round, and pop round, jab, punch, okay? And remember what our goal is today, you guys. It's number 1, to work on both sides, which we're doing. And number 2, to work on the speed on these combinations. So we want to make sure we can do them nice and quick. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, so what's the first kick? It is a rear leg round. Then slide the feet together, slide round, jump round, pop round, jab, punch. Okay, one more time. Left leg back this time, guys. Okay, get ready. And number 1, rear leg round, sliding round, jumping round, pop round, jab, punch. Okay, so my yellow belts, you're gonna practice that one 10 times, 5 on each side. Remember our goal, going faster with each time we do that combination. Okay, get going. Okay, everybody, we're gonna finish off today's class with a little challenge here. Okay, this is gonna be a physical challenge. You're gonna do 1 minute of squats, 1 minute of push-ups, and 1 minute of sit-ups. Now you don't have to do them all back to back to back. You can take a rest in between. And what I'm trying to get you to do is see how many you can do in that 1 minute, okay? If you get a little tired, you can rest, okay? But see if you can try to go continuously, even if your pace is really slow. So let me demonstrate a couple exercises to make sure that your technique is proper, and then I'll let you guys go and finish off your class with that physical challenge. So for your squats, remember, we want to have our hands on our collar. This just helps keep our back a little straighter. Now when you're doing your squats, remember to look up, okay? If it helps, look at the ceiling, and you want to squat to get your elbows down to your knees. That's how low you want to go, okay? When we get a little tired, sometimes we don't go as low. I'd rather you take a little rest, get your energy back, and then make sure you go all the way down. Look how low I am. Those elbows are touching my knees. My eyes are up. It doesn't have to be like this up, but just kind of looking forwards, okay? So that's gonna be your squats. Remember, you're gonna do 1 minute of that. I think you guys pretty much know how to do the sit-ups, but let's just go ahead and go over it real quick. So for those sit-ups, you know, ideally you wanna keep your hands up, okay, like this. You know, this helps you to, you know, have a better fighting stance. If you have to, you know, if you're having a little trouble with your sit-ups, grab your pants and you can pull yourself up, okay? And remember, you'll do 1 minute of that. And then finally, with our push-ups, it's okay if you do them on your knees, but make sure that when you do them on your knees that you're getting your hips flat, okay? You get all the way down, okay? We want to avoid this, okay? This is not a good push position. And if you can, you know, you're doing those push-ups on your toes. And notice how I get all the way down when I do that push-up. Okay, so your challenge, just to remind you guys, 1 minute of squats, 1 minute of sit-ups, 1 minute of push-ups. Take a little break in between, maybe like a minute between each one so you can rest. And that'll be the end of your class. Okay guys, get started with that challenge.